Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at basic attention token and its valuations against Bitcoin. We recently broke down the 20-day moving average, which was a pretty, I would say, a significant moving average in the short term for basic attention token. As you can see, ever since it broke above it, we have been holding it relatively well as support. Every single time that we held it, we made a move up, and that brought us up to this Bitcoin valuation. But just 3 days ago, arguably 4 days ago, we broke below it. And yesterday was a pretty significant dump. It was down almost 8% in a day, and here we are trying to climb our way back up. This is kind of to be expected. We saw in this area here where we broke down below it. We fought. It was a struggle to go further down, and we were able to fight our ways back up. And we're seeing that kind of happen again. What's the difference between here or here and here is that Bitcoin is now um, very close to the 20-week moving average. I mean, we're even going down further now. We're at $48,000, and we're down over 5%. And so that we're getting closer and closer to the 20-week moving average. Um, as I said in my previous video, um, the market kind of pauses uh, in this area. Okay, so the market will kind of pause within the area of Bitcoin going to touch the 20-week moving average. It doesn't matter which altcoin you're in, it seems like that's always the case. And with basic attention token, I wouldn't call it special by any means. So with that said, this is kind of a bad position for basic attention token to be in. We're below the 20-day moving average. We're struggling to get back above it. We kind of need a bullish environment for it to do that. However, with Bitcoin so close to the 20-week moving average, bullishness has kind of waned, which is to be expected because if we do drop below it significantly, a decisive move below it, there's a good potential chance that we could go further down. At the same time, I don't think this is the market cycle top. So I don't think the bull run's going to end with now or in the near future where Bitcoin breaks below the 20-week moving average. However, with that said, basic attention token has a long way to go to get to where I think it needs to be. And having this happen now kind of throws a wrench in that plan, and that's fine. I mean, no plan goes out perfectly. So with that said, um, I'm not looking to sell my basic attention token position. I mean, I bought in this area, so regardless of where the price goes, I'm still I'm still sitting pretty. However, um, I won't be selling it anyhow. Depending on how low we go, we'll see if you'll get another opportunity to accumulate, which could happen. We could see it come back down in this area and move sideways, but at this point, it's really just a pause for all coins. I'm not going to do anything with my positions. I'm just waiting and seeing what Bitcoin's going to do. Right now, it seems it really wants to go down. And so not only am I not going to do anything, but I with my altcoin positions, but I do have a cash position sitting um, that I'm ready to throw into Bitcoin uh, should the time come for me to do so. And that would be at the 20-week moving average. If Bitcoin's able to hold the 20-week moving average, the market is fine. We'll probably see a further bleeding from altcoins because Bitcoin would probably rally after that. But um, that is a good sign, I think, ultimately for the market that the run will continue, at least for the short term. But that's pretty much it with basic attention token. Nothing really out of the ordinary. It's up 4%, but that 4% is shadowed, overcasted by the looming threat of Bitcoin dropping down to the 20-week moving average. It's only about 12% drop now, probably even further, probably even closer than that. We're looking at 11%, 11.5% above the 20-week moving average. So we're closing in. Okay, we're closing in. We'll see what basic attention token does. Odds are it's not going to do well, or at least it's going to be neutral about it. But we'll see. That's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.